Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you're new. As you can tell, we're going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing, but it's not the regular Boxycharm. They started doing the premium as of this month in November. This is my first box since it's literally new, and I'm excited to show you guys what I got in this box. This is the premium, which is different from the Boxycharm and the Boxycharm Lux. It's a separate boxing, and this one costs $35 compared to the regular Boxycharm that is now $25. This one's $35, and originally I think this values, since it's $35, it's $175, but I heard that it's like $200 or $300 value for this month's box, and I think the one that's $25 now, the regular Boxycharm, is now supposed to be a value of over $125 compared to when it was $21, it was just $100 value. So yeah, that's what they are now doing. And yeah, as you can tell, Boxycharm premium, their boxings are new and everything. Very nice, very pretty. I love that. And as of this month, it's Boxycharm Stellar. That's the theme of it. Here's all the stuff that's in here. Okay, let's go ahead and show you guys. Okay. First thing I see in here is by Boxycharm, by their actual, it's their actual brand. So, I think it's, hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's 5-piece brush set. Introducing your new favorite brush set. This Boxycharm branded, it's Boxycharm branded brushes. A 5-piece brush set was created to achieve a flawless look, ideal for precise placement and seamless blending of all your go-to products. These oval-shaped and ultra-soft luxury brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. And it shows they're $65. Daggum. Okay, I have to look at them and see, because they look pretty interesting as far as I can tell. Let me grab them out and show you guys. Okay. These are really nice, actually. And super soft. Wow. It's really nice. I've never owned anything like this. Pretty heavy too. It's not like super heavy, but it's not like really cheaply made. It feels like it's actually pretty luxe, honestly. Really nice. Look how pretty these are. Let me show you this one. Ooh, it's really nice. I love the oval shape. I've never seen brushes like this. And then there's this one. Really nice. They're very soft. Alright. So far, so good. In this box, it's only $35. And that is already way over the value of the box, which is $65. Daggum. That's still expensive to me. I would never pay that. But I'm glad it's in the box. Okay. Okay, and next I'll go with this. Kapaa Coconut Rose Toner. Refresh and balance. There's all the ingredients if you want to pause it and look at them. And if you want to know the directions or anything. Okay. Oh, slipped out of my hand. And it shows that it has coconut oil in it, so just in case you're allergic to coconut or anything. Well, coconut would be like, what am I saying? I don't know. but it's really nice packaging. Okay, let me go ahead and smell it. Okay, hold on. It smells good, but it honestly doesn't smell like coconut or roses, really. But it does smell good. It's like kind of fresh, kind of a fresh smell. And I've never owned anything from Kapaa, so I'm pretty sure I'll love this. Alright. I'll set that there. And I'll go ahead and tell you guys about this one. Kapaa Coconut Rose Toner. A vegan, alcohol-free, and multitasking toner to keep redness at bay. That can also be used as a face primer, setting spray, or a quick refresh throughout the day. So that spray has multi-purpose uses, so that's pretty cool. And it shows it's $25. Alright, next inside the box is from Dragon Beauty. Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. Shake well before using. It's vegan and cruelty free. Okay, let's see what it actually looks like. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I love that top. Very pretty. Very up my alley. Okay, let's read about this. Dragon Beauty. Dragon Beauty. Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. Personally formulated by the mother of all dragons. Dragon Fireworks. As well as skin... Excuse me, guys. I can't read today. Okay, let me restart. Personally formulated by the mother of dragons. Dragon Fire works well on skin. It's one of those days. Works well on all skin tones and helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Infused with light reflecting matte powers. Am I reading that? Yeah. To brighten and blur, this formula diffuses imperfections to create a photo-filtered fantasy. And then it shows it's saturated with vitamin E, vitamin A, and a Dragon Fire blends effortlessly and offers full customable light to full coverage. So it's a skin corrector, I think. And it shows, hold on. That's $25 as well. I don't use color correctors, but I'll always give it a try. It's really nice packaging though. But yeah, can't beat that for inside the box. And it is $25. Okay. Next inside the box is from Becca. Oh, yeah, there I am. If you can see me. Sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather, or I would have filmed my face. I don't know what it is, but with this entire weather change and everything, it's just been awful. It's just, I can't keep from getting sick. My immune system sucks. But anyways, I'm sorry guys, I'm just rattling around. This is a Becca Cloak gloss, and oh yeah, there's a shade on here. It's called Champagne Cream. Okay. It's very pretty. And okay, let's go ahead and read about this. Becca Cloak gloss. Illuminate your lips with the Lux Conditioning Lip Liqueur that combines the shine of gloss and nourishing benefits of a balm. 3D light, reflecting pigments, ingredients, instantly makes lips look fuller and smoother. Formulated with vitamin E, shea, and murmuru butters for soft, supple lips. And that retails for $22. Not bad. It's very beautiful. I'll definitely get the use out of this. And it's like really nice packaging too. I don't think, do I? No, I do. This is really nice. But, okay. My rambling, y'all. Whoa. Okay, the next thing in here is QMS Intensive Eye Care. It says it's a day and night cream. Sorry, I'm just looking and seeing. Oh, it's made in Germany. Okay, let's see. Oh, 17 ml or 0.5 US FL ounces. If you're curious about that, it's so tiny. Okay, let's go and read about this. QMS Cosmetics. Oh, the name is Cosmetics. Intensive Eye Care. A nurturing formula developed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for the sensitive skin around the eyes. Holy shoot. Y'all guys, y'all see how much this retails for? $150? Good God. And it's so tiny. This better do miracles for my eyes. For $150? Gosh, dang. It's very pretty though, but I would never pay $150 for something like this. But thank you, Boxycharm, for putting it in the box, because that allows me to try expensive eye care like this. Goodness gracious. Alright, and as you can all tell, the last thing on here is Natasha Denona, which I'm super excited about because I've never owned anything from Natasha Denona. Look how beautiful. Let's just take a moment. How beautiful the packaging is. Beautiful. Okay. Stop being dramatic and open it up and show. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, there I am. Hello. Alright, let me open this. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. There we go. That is so freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. And these two right here on the top are creams. And the names, I think, let's see, Glow Cream Base, Cream Blush, Duo Glow, and Glow Extreme. Okay, I at least have to swatch these. Go ahead and put this. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hold on. I'm just gonna swatch these two bottom ones, so I have to know. I'm not gonna swatch the creams. Alright, this is what it looks like. Very pretty. Oh my goodness. This is probably my favorite thing in the entire box. So beautiful. Okay. Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. An Illuminate Glow Palette inspired by Natasha Denona's best-selling Diamond and Blush palette, featuring some of her best-selling shades and formulas. And it retails for $55. as you can tell. 22, 65, 25, 25, 150. Good, I still can't get over that. And 55. If you had all that up, that's way over the price of $35 that you pay for the box. Even if you add in the shipping for the taxing for it. That's so worth it to me. And I'm so in love with everything I got. Let me just go ahead and show you guys again what I got. I am very pleased with my first Boxy Premium. It's so nice. I think they're doing an awesome job doing this. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my first Boxy Premium unboxing for the month of November, and I'll be having my original box, my original normal box, whenever they ship it out, which they haven't shipped it out yet. But as soon as I get that, I'll film it and show you guys what I got in that box too. But as of for now, this is my premium box, and I'm very happy with everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. We very much appreciate it. And I guess I'll see you on the next one, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.